Welcome to Mathematics for Business Decisions. These are self-contained electronic texts published and distributed by the Mathematical Association of America. I'm Richard Thompson from the Department of Mathematics at the University of Arizona, speaking for myself and my co-author, Christopher Lamoureux, who is head of our finance department in the Eller College of Business and Public Administration. In 1998, Chris and I were asked to design a new sequence of mathematics courses for our undergraduate business majors. This was to completely replace the traditional sequence of finite mathematics and brief calculus. By the year 2002, our material had been used by thousands of students, taught by dozens of instructors in several different schools. What is it that has made Mathematics for Business Decisions a success with both students and teachers? First, we have a strong interdisciplinary connection with business. Teams of students report on 4 major business projects during the 2 semesters. Loan workouts, stock option pricing, marketing computer drives, and bidding on oil leases. These are significant real-world business projects. The mathematics behind 2 of the 4 won Nobel Prizes in economics during the last 10 years. Projects motivate students to study the mathematical content of our courses. We present a considerable amount of solid mathematics, ending with a Nash equilibrium bidding strategy for auctions. This is a research-level auction result, which was unknown until 2001, when I discovered it while working on these courses. Where it will enhance student understanding, we present new topics with technology. For example, our students use interactive computer simulations to convince themselves that the area under a curve really is the limit of midpoint sums. All is not high-tech. Many of the topics in Mathematics for Business Decisions would not benefit from technology at all. We present these in the traditional way that mathematics has been taught for years. Our derivation of the formula for a confidence interval looks a lot like, well, 3 pages of mathematics. Computers help students relate mathematics to the business projects. They also provide access to some sophisticated mathematical tools. In our marketing project, we consider information from test markets. Excel's built-in trend line function is used to find the best fitting second-degree polynomial for our data points. Excel displays the coefficients of the resulting demand function, which can then be copied into other cells and used for further computation. Why is an electronic text the appropriate venue for this material? First, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word are ubiquitous in the current business environment. We use the tools that business uses. The electronic format also provides opportunities for a new kind of interchange between teachers and students. For example, a single mouse click can launch streaming video that answers a common student question with a virtual office visit.
What does Monte Carlo simulation mean?
In Monte Carlo simulation, we first collect a random sample for some random variable. Then we compute the sample statistics. Computer simulation allows students to translate mathematical theory into activity. It also illustrates the nature of variability. In an example with red, white, and blue assembly lines, Excel simulation gives students a reality check that allows them to verify their computations. Mathematics for Business Decisions comes as boxed software with installation CDs and student manuals containing screen captures of all of the PowerPoint slides. The e-text will soon be available in fully web-based online forms as well as in the CD form. We will also have an independent version of Mathematics for Business Decisions Part 2 called Calculus for Business Decisions that will be suitable for a single course. Teaching this material with its innovative content and new methods is both exciting and a challenge, but you know you're on the right track. When a student comes to your office and says,
I really enjoyed your class. I felt like I learned so much. It is such a different feeling coming out of mathematics for business decisions than when I finished other math classes.